Imagine a force so potent it can transform a mundane moment into a burst of joy, a setback into a lesson, and a restless heart into one brimming with peace, all by simply noticing what's already yours. Gratitude, often brushed off as a polite gesture, is a profound practice that rewires your mind, shifts your perspective, and unlocks a life of abundance, no matter your circumstances. In a world fixated on what's missing, more money, better relationships, a perfect future, the Buddha, who found contentment amid simplicity, taught gratitude as a path to liberation, grounding us in the richness of the present. His wisdom offers practical tools to harness gratitude's power, turning every day into an opportunity for fulfillment. Let's dive into the Buddhist-inspired path to wield gratitude's transformative energy, cultivating a heart that thrives on appreciation, one thankful moment at a time. In the Buddhist view, gratitude is a facet of mudita, sympathetic joy, and right view, a recognition of life's interconnected gifts that counters the suffering, or dukkha, caused by craving, or tanha, for what's not here or aversion to what is. The Buddha expressed gratitude for simple things, a tree's shade, a meal offered, anchoring his peace in the now. You know, you can cultivate gratitude to shift from "I need more" to "I have enough." And this really fuels success in relationships, work, or personal growth. The first tool is mindfulness, the practice of being present to notice life's gifts, however small. A mind caught in lack, "my life's a mess, nothing's good," misses the beauty around it. Mindfulness opens your eyes, making gratitude natural. Picture this. You're stressed about bills, thinking, "I'll never get ahead." Pause. Feel your breath, slow and steady. Notice the warmth of your coffee mug, the hum of the morning, the chair's support. Label the thought, worry. Then, name one thing you're grateful for. A steady job, a sunny day. This shifts your focus, sparking calm. The Buddha used mindfulness to appreciate alms, finding joy. You can appreciate the moment, building gratitude. Practice it. Start with 5 minutes daily. Sit, focus on your breath. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. When negative thoughts arise, "I'm failing, nothing works," note them as thinking and return to the breath. Then notice one gift, your breath as sound. In daily life, pause when stress hits, feel your surroundings, name one gratitude, a friend's text, and breathe. Track it. Journal one mindful gratitude moment daily, like noticing a meal's taste during a rush. Mindfulness builds a mind that sees abundance, igniting gratitude's power. The second tool is metta, or loving kindness, the Buddhist practice of cultivating compassion to deepen gratitude's warmth. Gratitude thrives in a kind heart, but resentment, "they don't appreciate me," or self-criticism, "I'm not enough," can block it. Metta softens this, fostering appreciation for yourself and others. You're annoyed at a co-worker's mistake, thinking, "they're so careless." Pause for a moment. Place a hand on your heart and say, "May I be grateful?" Then for them, "May you be well." Now, just try to find one thing to appreciate, maybe their effort or your shared goal. This shifts your heart, sparking gratitude. The Buddha's metta embraced all beings. Yours can embrace life's gifts too. Practice it. Spend 5 minutes daily on metta. Wish well. Yourself first. "May I be happy, may I be grateful." Then a loved one, a neutral person, and even a difficult one. "May you be happy." Feel the words softening your chest. Pair it with mindfulness, notice resistance, like "I can't thank them," and gently return to the wish. Then name one gratitude tied to them. In daily life, act on one kind thought every hour. Thank a stranger or just smile at yourself. If negativity resists, "they don't deserve it." Note it and try metta, like wishing peace to a critic and appreciating their perspective. Track it, journal one metta. Gratitude moment daily, like thanking a friend after a kind wish. Metta builds a heart that's open, amplifying gratitude's transformative power. The third tool is right intention, or sankappa, the Buddhist principle of aligning your mind with purpose to make gratitude a deliberate choice. Gratitude falters when intentions are skewed. "I'll be grateful when I'm rich," tying it to future gains. Right intention roots gratitude in the present, valuing what's here now. You're frustrated with a small apartment, thinking, "I need a better place." Pause. Set an intention. "I choose to appreciate what I have." Notice your home's coziness, a favorite chair, safety. This fuels contentment, inspiring action like tidying with care. The Buddha's intentions were all about focusing on the moment. Yours, however, can focus on the gifts of gratitude. Practice it by taking just 2 minutes before your day begins to set an intention, like saying, "I intend to find gratitude," or "I value what's here." Write it down and keep it visible as a gentle reminder. Pair your intention with mindfulness. Notice when your intention starts to drift, like thinking, "I'll be happy later," and gently renew it. In your daily life, check in every hour or so. Are you actively seeking gratitude? If a feeling of lack starts to creep in, like thinking, "This isn't enough," try to reframe it by asking, "What's good now?" Then act on it, perhaps by thanking a coworker. Track your progress by journaling one intentional gratitude moment each day, such as appreciating the purpose behind a task. Right intention helps build a mind that naturally chooses gratitude, which in turn fuels success through appreciation. The fourth tool is impermanence, the Buddhist truth that all things, joys, pains, possessions pass. Ungratefulness often stems from clinging to permanence, thinking, "I need this forever, I can't lose it," or just ignoring those fleeting gifts. Impermanence, well, it opens your heart to value what's here now, knowing it won't last. You're dreading a work change, thinking, "This ruins everything." Pause for a moment. Say to yourself, "This is temporary." Notice just one gift, maybe a supportive colleague, or your own adaptability. This sparks gratitude, easing your fear. The Buddha's insight into impermanence brought joy. Yours can bring thankfulness too. Practice it. Reflect daily. What gift faded last week, like a meal you enjoyed? Pair that with a simple mantra, "This will pass." When lack hits, when you feel, "I have nothing," write down one fleeting gift, like a kind word or a sunset. Act on it, maybe by savoring a moment. If you find yourself clinging, thinking, "I need more," just breathe and repeat the mantra. In daily life, notice impermanence. A stress fades, a joy arises. Track it. Journal 1. Impermanent gratitude moment each day, like appreciating a friend's call. Impermanence builds a mind that cherishes, deepening the power of gratitude. The fifth tool is right effort, viriya, the Buddhist practice of steady, balanced action to sustain gratitude. Gratitude isn't a fleeting feeling, it's a habit built through daily commitment. Without effort, it fades. "I'll be grateful tomorrow." Right effort ensures you seek and express thanks consistently, like tending a fire. You're tired, tempted to skip reflection, "I'm too busy." Pause. Act. Name one thing you're thankful for, like your bed. The Buddha's effort sustained his practice. Yours can sustain your gratitude, enriching success. Practice it. Pick one daily gratitude act. Write 3 thanks, say one aloud. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice the urge to skip, "Nothing's good," and persist gently. If you overdo, "I must find everything," note it and simplify, like thanking one thing. In daily life, set a 1 thanks rule. Express gratitude within 5 minutes, like thanking a barista. Track it. Journal 1 effort moment daily, like writing thanks despite a bad day. Right effort builds a mind that commits, anchoring success in gratitude's practice. The sixth tool is wisdom, seeing through the illusion of a fixed self, anatta. Ungratefulness often ties to ego. "I deserve better, this isn't me." Wisdom reveals no solid you, just thoughts, moments, gifts. That victim in a tough day, it's not you, it's a thought you can shift. Wisdom asks, who's ungrateful? You'll find a being worthy of thanks, free to appreciate. You're down, thinking, "My life's awful." Pause. Question, is this me? Notice one gift, your breath, your heart. Act, say thanks. The Buddha's wisdom found joy in truth. Yours can find joy in gratitude. Practice it. Spend 5 minutes nightly asking, "What's true about my gifts?" Maybe your effort, a kind stranger. Pair it with mindfulness. When lack hits, "I'm nothing." Question, is this forever? Then act. Name one gratitude, like your health. In daily life, apply it. If you spiral, ask, "What's the truth?" And act, like thanking a moment. Track it. Journal 1 wise gratitude moment daily, like seeing lack as fleeting and giving thanks. Wisdom builds a mind that knows abundance, grounding success in gratitude's clarity. These 6 tools, Mindfulness, metta, right intention, impermanence, right effort, wisdom unleash the power of gratitude, shifting your mind from scarcity to fullness. The Buddha's gratitude lit his path to liberation. Yours can light your path to success. You're not your lack, you're the awareness, the heart, the choice to give thanks. Start now. Take a mindful breath, wish yourself joy, and name one gratitude. Gratitude's power is yours. Embrace it and thrive.